Okay, we're seeing uproar in both houses of parliament. Rajya Sabha still adjourned till 12, and what we're hearing is that traders and supporters are also shouting slogans in favor of Narendra Modi, and in fact what they've done is they're showing black flags just before Arvind Kejriwal's visit, and this is all happening at the Azadpur Mandi, where Modi supporters can be seen along with traders who are chanting praises of the Prime Minister and are waving black flags just before the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal's visit. Let's just listen in first. To India Today's Ankit Tyagi for more on this. A big embarrassment there, for Arvind Kejriwal. Ankit, is he supposed to visit Azadpur Mandi? What exactly is his plan?
Well, today is the big rally of Arvind Kejriwal with the traders of Azadpur Mandi. He will also be joined by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in a show of strength and this anti-demonetization rally. These people, about 15 to 20 in numbers, they in fact started raising slogans. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is yet to arrive at the venue, and they in fact were raising slogans against Delhi Chief Minister, saying that they support the demonetization policy of the Prime Minister. They also said that Arvind Kejriwal should go from here. Although the organizers of this rally and the traders union, as far as the Azadpur Mandi is concerned, they said that these people do not belong to the trade association, but yes, protests being seen there against Arvind Kejriwal. So on one hand, where there is opposition against the Prime Minister's demonetization policy, his supporters now coming out and hitting at those who are in fact opposing this entire exercise.
No, so Ankit, can you just tell us who are these people? Are they actually traders of Azadpur Mandi who can be seen waving black flags before the Chief Minister's visit?
Well, the Trader Association is saying they do not belong to the trade association. These people have been claiming to work at the Azadpur Mandi itself. As far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have already termed them BJP supporters. So that is exactly how this entire situation as of now is panning out here at the Azadpur Mandi. A big rally is expected. Of course, Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister, would be coming here and lending her support to this anti-demonetization rally in Delhi.
Absolutely. Ankit, keep a close track of the situation at Azadpur Mandi, where the Chief Minister is scheduled to arrive. We'll come back to you in just a bit.